In this video, we're going to see how to connect ReferralCandy to your WooCommerce account through the plugin store, which is available for WooCommerce 2.3.3 or higher. First, sign up for ReferralCandy to activate your 14-day free trial. Select WooCommerce as your platform and complete the remaining steps until you reach the ReferralCandy dashboard. Once you're in the ReferralCandy dashboard, side menu, select Profile and then My Profile. Then navigate to the API Tokens and Plugins Tokens section. You'll now want to either leave this tab open or take note of these three items: the API Access ID, the App ID, and the secret key. Once you're done with this, head to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins and add new plugin, and then search for ReferralCandy. Then click on Install and then Activate. Which will bring you directly to the Plugins Integrations page. Scrolling down, you'll find this page with the three input boxes. You can paste the API plugin tokens you saved earlier. Don't forget to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page and you're all set.